Ja, dat doe ik. Wat een machine, hè?
Ik ga close. Ik ben close.
Ja, linksauto.
Thank you to Their Majesties, King Willem-Alexander and Queen Maxima, for hosting us here in these splendid surroundings. Thank you also to the Dutch government for organizing this NATO summit over the course of 2 days in this wonderful city. I know how much work has gone into the preparations for this event. Our heartfelt thanks to everyone who has been involved. Of course, I'm biased, as you know, when it comes to The Hague. This is my hometown. But let me say a big thank you to the residents of the city and the Dutch people who have to put up with many restrictions during the summit. But it is all worth it. This truly is a historic summit. Welcome to all allied leaders, including those who are participating in the NATO summit for the first time. And welcome to our partners, the European Union leadership, the President of Ukraine, and of course our partners from the Indo-Pacific, Japan, South Korea, New Zealand, and Australia. We have gathered at a crucial time for global security. The world is a dangerous place. We are confronted with profound security threats that span from the Euro-Atlantic to the Middle East to the Indo-Pacific. But I'm absolutely confident that together, with the leaders in this room tonight, we will emerge stronger and make our countries and the world safer. NATO will continue to be a central part of that. Tomorrow, NATO allies will make a very big decision on defense investment that will go down in history as transformational. This will be something to celebrate. These decisions are rooted in NATO's core mission of protecting our 1 billion people and will make for a stronger alliance and a safer world. It will also be a massive achievement in making NATO fairer. For decades, the United States sought to get Europe to truly step up. Now, European allies and Canada will equalize their defense spending with the United States. So let me salute President Trump's long-standing leadership in calling for NATO to increase defense spending. Today, I am pleased to announce that NATO has already added an additional $1 trillion in defense spending over the past decade. Mr. President, dear Donald, that is thanks to you pushing us. And tomorrow we will build on that foundation and add trillions more in defense spending, because we need to do this. We will also commit to expanding our defense industries and continuing our support for Ukraine. We know what is at stake. So there is a lot to discuss. And while this dinner has been organized as a social event, it will help us set the ground for a successful summit. I look forward to fruitful discussions this evening and tomorrow. And with that, I would like to raise a toast to Their Majesties, King Willem-Alexander, Queen Maxima of the Netherlands, and thank you for hosting us at this beautiful place.